Hello mathematicians. So we're going to talk about elimination, another method of solving systems of linear equations. Okay, so we'll look at the first one. So we want to make sure that both equations are in standard form. That means x and y are on the same side together. You also want to make sure that both equations are lined up. Another thing you want to make sure is that you want to be able to eliminate one of the variables right away. So you have to decide which variable you want to get rid of, x or y. Once you make the decision, you have to then decide if the coefficients are the same but opposite signs. So here, none of the coefficients are the same. I'm going to work with x. So I would have to multiply for the coefficients of x, so 3x and 2x to be the same. The least common multiple here would be 6. So I would multiply this top piece by 2, the whole thing by 2, and I would multiply the bottom piece by 3. So then my new equations would be, on top I would have 6x plus 12y, plus 4y equals negative 12. And on the bottom, I would have 6x plus 15y equals 21. And I notice now I have a variable that has the same coefficients. Now, you can, now I'm going to subtract them so that I could cancel them out. So I'm going to use the operation of subtraction. 6 minus 6 would cancel out, so right away that gets crossed out. And 4 minus 15 would be negative 11y equals negative 12 minus 21 would be negative 33. And then remember I'm solving, so now I'm going to divide everything by negative 11. And here, I would have y equals 3. Now that I found y, I'm going to substitute it back into one of my original equations. So not the one that we created, but one of these original ones, I'm going to substitute back in. And I'm just going to use 2x plus 5y. So 2x plus 5y equals 7. 2x plus 5 times 3 equals 7. So 2x plus 15 equals 7. Subtract 15 from both sides. This gets canceled out. 2x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 2. And I have x is equal to negative 4. I have my x, my y. Remember my solution is a coordinate, so it would be negative 4, 3. That is the answer.